Hello, I want to share with you this easy to prepare bread filled with cheese and herbs and baked with plain flour under 45 minutes. This soft and bouncy bread is so tasty you will love it. To start with, separate one egg white into a container. Keep the egg yolk for later use. Pour 1 cup of plain yogurt into the egg white. 1 shot glass, which is about 3 tablespoons of oil. 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, and whisk until creamy consistency. Into a separate bowl, measure 3 cups of plain flour and add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix the two together. Spoon the flour into the yogurt mixture, 2 spoons at a time, and mix. Continue mixing until all the flour is used. Mix by hand towards the end until the dough is soft but not sticky. Leave the dough to one side while you prepare the filling. Grate the cheeses. I'm using 120 grams of halloumi and 50 grams of cheddar cheese. You can use any hard cheese in place of the halloumi. Add 2 handfuls of coarsely chopped parsley and mix. Instead, you could use mint or coriander if you prefer. Break 1 egg into the cheese mixture and mix. Line a 23 cm Springform cake pan with lightly greased baking sheet. Divide the dough into 2 portions. Lightly grease your fingertips and palms and press 1/2 of the dough between your palms, making it flat, then pulling, stretching it until big enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Pour the cheese mixture to cover the bottom layer. Then prepare the second half of the dough as you did before, pushing it between your palms, flattening it and then stretching it until big enough to cover the cheese. Pull the sides of the top layer and bring it in line with the bottom layer. With lightly oiled fingers, pinch the bottom and the top layer dough together, sealing it all round. Brush with egg yolk and then sprinkle with sesame seeds. Place the tray into a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade and bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown. When cooked, remove from the oven and rest for 10 minutes. Then cut into slices and serve with a hot or a cold drink. Enjoy your bread. Bon appétit.